Hello everyone, welcome to Ekal Bharat. I am Soumya Agrawal and you have started watching our weekly highlights. So let's begin with our first news. The Ekal Global Learning Journey, held from July 5th, concluded on July 9th with a visit to Ayodhya. A 31-member team from Dubai participated in this journey. They first visited Varanasi, where they paid homage to Baba Vishwanath and observed Ekal's activities. Following this, they visited Prayagraj, the city of confluence, where they toured Ekal Vidyalaya in Sasho and Chaka and appreciated the talents of Ekal children.
हम धरती की ताकत जगाएंगे, हम धरती की ताकत जगाएंगे, हम संताने भारत माँ की, भारतवर्ष हमारा है। चींची करती आई, चिड़िया चींची करती आई, चिड़िया दाल का दाना लाई।
Moving forward to our second news, in the Silchar Rath Amraghat Sanch Maniyarkal village of the Northeast Division, the Ekal Shri Hari Mandir Rath Yatra was organized. On the auspicious occasion of the world-famous Gundicha Rath Yatra of Lord Jagannath, the villagers grandly welcomed Lord Sri Ram seated on the chariot. The villagers considered Lord Jagannath as the center of faith, participated in the darshan and worshipped with devotion. They celebrated the festival by pulling the Ekal Shri Hari Mandir Rath with their hands, emulating the Gundicha Rath Yatra. On to our third news, under the Ekal Abhiyan, registration and selection of players have begun in villages for the third national sports event organized by Abhyuday Youth Club in villages like Chikor, Rewa, Biru in Khunti district, Jharkhand. There is a great enthusiasm among children for sports. Early in the morning, children can be seen running on village paths and practicing kabaddi and wrestling in the fields. Selected players from the villages will participate in the block level competitions in August, district level competitions in September and October, division level sports in November, and the national sports event will conclude in January 2025 in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. On to our fourth news, under the Ekal Abhiyan Arogya Foundation of India, a tree plantation drive was initiated by planting 51 trees in Shishwaro Ki Dhani, a connected village in Biawas, Viratnagar, Rajasthan division. The Biawas Women Committee organized a tree distribution program. On this occasion, coordinator Patasi Saini and committee members Raju Devi, Lali Devi, Mewa Devi, Bimla Devi and workers Koyal Saini along with many rural women were present. On to our fifth news. In Kishtwar district of Jammu division, the Ekal Shri Hari Mandir Rath was grandly welcomed in the village of Anjol in the Thakari block. As the chariot of Lord Sri Ram entered the villagers showered flowers and welcomed it with devotion. Subsequently, the Lord was worshipped and a grand aarti was performed with the participation of all the villagers. The program concluded with a satsang where everyone sang devotional songs with great fervor. Moving forward to our sixth news, in Bhalukpona Mahadevpur block, West Bengal, a telemedicine training program was organized for workers. The program included lectures, demonstrations, group discussions, group sharing and interactions with each worker. Dr. Mukul Bhatia, Dr. Praful Sahu, Mr. Tripurari Parmanik and Ms. Sampa Mahato were present. Training on medications under the Arogya scheme was successfully completed. Moving forward to the last news, the concluding program of the Ekal Abhiyan Central Planning class held at Akhand Parmadham in Haridwar was completed. On this occasion, special guest yoga expert Swami Sadhanand ji provided guidance to all. Central Campaign Chief Mr. Lalan Sharma ji stated that the work of Ekal Abhiyan is for national upliftment. The campaign's goal is to realize Swami Vivekananda's dream and enrich the villages of the country with education and culture by following his path. Chairman of the Bharat Lok Shiksha Parishad, Mr. Akhil Gupta ji, Program President Mr. Anil Kumar ji, Class Officer Mr. Vinay Batra ji, Chief Guest Mr. Pramod Agrawal ji, Senior Pracharak of RSS and BJP, Co-Minister Mr. Snehpal Singh ji, along with other dignitaries were present. The program was conducted by Co-Campaign Chief Mr. Khemanand Sapkota ji. At the conclusion, the committee presented gifts to the workers. That's all for weekly highlights this week. Stay tuned and we'll bring you more such news. Till then, keep watching Ekal Bharat.